I'm going to show you how to set up GitLab with GitLab push notifications uh, so that you can receive sort of updates on your project or repository. Um, yeah, for anything, whether it's a comment, a note, push event, a pipeline, those types of events. So to do so, we're going to use the Spontit API. The Spontit API allows you to send push notifications without your own app or website. It's very easy to set up. Go to spontit.com, sign up, get the Spontit app, sign in with the same account, allow notifications, and there's a tutorial for how to do this in the description, as well as a brief description about what Spontit is. So feel free to check that out. As for now, I'm going to assume you pretty much already have it set up, and just to confirm, go to the push tab and send yourself a push notification on both of your devices. So this will it's a good starting point to make sure that you have everything set up correctly. So click this push button and then type in what you want. Test, push all. Okay, so you should receive it, and great. So we can even open it, and there we go. All right, the next step is to set up the webhook on your project. So go to GitLab, sign in, go to the project that you want. Now go down here to settings, and then go to webhooks. Okay, so really quick, let me delete this old one. And then go here, and now we just need the Spontit API, the Spontit API URL for the webhook. So this is https api.spontit.com/webhooks/GitLab. Okay, and the next step is to get your username because it needs to know who to send it to. So go over here to Spontit, go to your profile, and get your username. Now this is an important note. Currently, the way this is designed, the webhook will break if you change your username. So, make sure if you want to change it now. Hopefully we'll change that design later. But for now, this defines which channel it'll go to. So just put in your username there. The next step is to get a secret key. Go to get secret keys, and then just gonna delete this old one and create a new one. Copy it and go back here. And if you have any issues, feel free to email info@spontit.com or comment on the video, and we'll try to get back to you. So should be all you need. Now check, the triggers that you want. Just check them all, and add webhook. Okay, so now we can test it. Now, an important note here: uh, you have to have actually done one of these things in order to test it using this thing. So, for example, if you want to test an issue event, you have to actually create an issue. If you don't have any issues, you won't be able to test it, and you'll get the corresponding error. I think, if I remember correctly, from GitLab. So just make sure you have one of these. So the next thing is, you need a commit, for example, to do one of these push events. So let's just do a test one and make sure we're getting it on our devices. Okay, you'll see now we can open it, and we get information about, okay, so we have the repo name, my name, the project name, and different things. So another important note, so you'll see it worked, okay? And we generate this text using a function that's publicly available. So GitLab sends us information about the event, and then we create the string message. So if this is something that you want to change or improve, please go to github.com/spontit/GitLab webhook string, and you can contribute to this repository, and we'll look at it and we'll try to update it accordingly, and just improve it for everybody, including yourself. So um, so that worked. Let's do one more test, and then I'll show you one last thing. So let's say an issue event. So you'll see here, yep, it says, there's an issue made. yeah, this is the issue description, the URL for the issue, etc. Okay, so now let's do one more thing. So I want to show you, if you use Spontit for other things, maybe you have friends, etc., who follow your main channel, and you don't want everybody receiving that notification. So to solve that, simply create a new channel. So to do so, go to the push tab, click create new channel here, and then click GitLab updates, and then just go, once it loads, go here and click view, and you'll see here, this is the URL that you want to use. It should also be available over here. Okay, so now you go back here and see how that works there. Okay, and then just simply go back here and get that secret key again, and that should work. Okay, and then test it. So you'll see here the title is GitLab updates, and it was sent here. So only people that will follow this GitLab updates channel um, will get that notification. You'll see here we only have this push, and we don't have the others. Okay, so thank you. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, sign up for Spontit, and enjoy. Good luck. Thank you.